Hello, my unboxing friends. I do hope you are well today. Today I have the, it's the Mystery Bag of Awesome. Now I have the mini. The mini is $9.99 a month, and the larger one is $24.99 a month. I found them on that daily deal. They were recommended by another YouTuber, but I'm curious to see if I got the same thing she did. Now, I've already torn the bag open, but I haven't looked, so let's see. You get all kinds of fun things in this mystery bag. It varies. Last month I got keychains and a pair of socks. So, okay. Vitamin Energy Focus Plus. Energize for 7+ hours, packed with vitamins and tastes great. This one is Tropical Infusion. Now, I've never tried anything like this. I would probably start with half a dose and see how I do. But you can get this at dollar stores and gas stations, and so okay, there's the first item. I'm not looking, so all right, I'm just going to pull out the whole thing. And that is all that is in that box. Now, usually they send a little worksheet, great for kids or even for you, just to pass the time. This time there's a word search and a little maze. Is that a spot the difference? Oh, I always used to love spot the difference. So there's that. Okay. Constellation Creations. Glow in the dark. There's 10 constellations. Create accurate constellations on your ceiling or probably any surface in minutes. So these glow in the dark. They even show on the back different constellations you can do. Now, I don't have children. I don't have grandchildren yet. And so I don't know what I'm going to do with these. Oh, there's a new family that moved in just across the street. This might be a good part of a good welcome package. So I might do that. But to me, I mean, isn't this like a dollar store thing? And then we have Halloween party hats. 4 hats. See the little witch hat? Okay. And then on the back is how you put them together. So they're made of paper. Isn't this another dollar store thing? So, do you think that's worth $10? I mean, at least give me $10 worth of stuff. At least. I know a mystery is a gamble, but it should be at least worth the amount I paid for. At minimum. That's what I think. Let me know in the comments below what you think about this. I might be canceling after this. Not so happy. So, on that note, I do hope you have a great day. I appreciate you stopping by, and I'll see you soon.